Okay, this is a demonstration of how to install or replace the sling fabric for this type of lounge chair. Okay, so first you're gonna put, this is what we call this spline. This is what's gonna go in the groove that holds the material, and it goes to this groove right here, as I'll show you in a minute. Okay, so first when you cut this, you're gonna cut it at least half inch longer. Okay, like this right here. And it's I found it easier to insert it if you have like a flat surface to work on. So just like that. And then I wear gloves because if you do a lot, you're gonna have a sore palm after that, because you gotta push this one. Okay, so that's for the bottom. Okay, this one I already put this spline. This one goes on the top. Okay, so I found it easier to do this top first before we go to the bottom. Okay, so the tools that we need. Okay, this is a soapy water, flat screwdriver, and 2 pairs of vice grips. Okay, and rubber mallet. And if you have like a plastic potty knife, that would be probably better. But this one I put 2 layers of duct tape because we're gonna use this later. Okay, so let's get ready. Okay, so over here we're going to put a clamp on top, or I should say probably on the bottom is better, like that. Okay, so you clamp that. Okay, and then I get my thing. So I would spray the channel with the soapy water. And if you want, you can spray it, not gonna hurt it. Okay. And then, okay, you want this end to go first. You want this exposed on the top. Okay, so it would go like this. Okay, so it would go like that, and then go to the other side, go like that. Okay, once you get that in, then you can just push them evenly. And you can use this to top it. Normally this one has an end cap. I removed them, but it's there somewhere. Okay, now after you finish with that, before you let go the clamp, you want to make sure that this is kind of taut. Okay, you gotta spread it, because once you let this go, it may not give in, and you cannot place it the way you want it after you release the clamp. Okay, now releasing the clamp. There you go. Here we have the back. Okay. After you finish the back, you lay this flat, and then get ready for the bottom one. Okay. Okay, it's gonna be the same process. Okay, so I would spray this again generously so. And then I also spray this a little bit. Okay, so again, okay, this is from here to see over there. There's no opening here, so the only way we can get to it is from this side. Okay, but again, the opening is always on top when you install it. Okay, so okay, let me get the clamp. Okay, this one is a little bit harder because this one doesn't flex. It has a limited flexibility compared to the top one. Okay, so okay, now this is where this come handy, because okay, you go like that, but see here, see, it's kind of hard to put it in. So what I'm gonna do, I put this like that. See what I'm doing right there? See, I gotta push that one. Okay, and then see, and then there. Okay, there you go. Okay, now go with that one. Okay, now with the use of the vice grip, okay. That. Okay, you might want to put this, right now it's kind of still warm and it may evaporate, so there. So once we get that one, we gotta evenly pull. Okay, you gotta watch over here because it may get snug here. So you gonna do that, then go back here. You can even like kind of press here to kind of give it like it. There you go. Again, you go like this. Go back here. Pull again. Okay, when you're pulling this, careful with your hands because you don't want to jam it over here. It might get hurt. Okay, now this is as far as I can pull. So we have like about 3-4 more inches to go. That's when this rubber mallet come to play. Okay, so you do it left and right, no rush. Okay, and then I should not remove this one yet because I can still use this to pull it, but it's not gonna give in. So okay, with this I can go like that and tap it. Okay, because I'm running out of room. So this, you gotta go like that. Okay, left and right. We're almost there. Okay. Okay, a little more. Okay, when you get there, you gotta look here. So maybe I would say about ½ inch more, I guess. Okay, then I do the other side. Okay, you can do like this too. Okay. Okay. All right. Do this side. there you go, folks. Okay, so I hope I will send this to Don and he can distribute to all the tech that may need this video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this will work. I mean, as you can see, it did work, but if there's any problem, feel free to call me. You guys know my number. Okay, all right. Thank you. Bye-bye.